Drop top time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. This particular car would have originally been a red car. Paint code J for Rangoon red. It also would have came from Ford with the luxury interior, as well as red on red. Now, as far as equipment on this car, nicely equipped car. Power steering, power brakes, power top. And those are all in working order. It does have front disc brakes on it too, you can see from the underside pictures. Paint on the car is approximately 10 years old, and this car has around 10,000 miles since it was restored. Engine was gone through tranny, and according to the previous owner, it is the original engine that came in this car. And you can see that the paint does show nice, the reflection coming off of it. Now check out the underside pics. Looks good from the bottom side also, the interior, the trunk. Check out the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Radial tires, those are wheel covers, a spoked style wheel cover. Got a couple of accessories that are going to go with this car. I'll show you when we get around to the rear of it too. But take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see that the car's straight. The one you can get in, turn the key and go, whether it be local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows in your area. It does have seat belts, as you can see. There's also pictures without the floor mats in there, so you can see the carpeting. It looks good. Take a look at the dash. It does have a rally pack, top of that steering column. C4 automatic transmission paired up with that 289 underneath the hood. Again, power top, and it is white vinyl, and we're going to run that up here at the end of the video so you can take a look at the condition of that. And there's also still pictures of it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple things that are going to go with this: the good old club security system, and then that is a stock AM radio I just set out of the trunk. Remind me to let you know that that'll go with it. I'll put it back in the trunk, and that's where it'll get shipped. It does have more of a retro sound style radio in it now with the digital readout, and that does work. Wipers work, radio works, blower fan for the defrost works, and of course the power top works. Take a look at the chrome. Rear bumper looking good. Also taillight surrounds in nice shape. Now remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you wanted somebody to come take a look at this car, feel free to do that. Just set it up with your sales consultant, let them know you'd like to do that if you can't come take a look at it yourself. And once again, all those still pictures you can see at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. This car does have the VIN stamped on the driver's side inner fender. That also does match up with the door tag, FYI. And then decoding the door tag, this vehicle looks very much the same as it would have came from Ford back in '65. Actually, I think it was a July 1st build date on this one. Door panels, and again the floor mat in over here too, but there are still pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mat. Vinyl interior, you can see, is free of rips, tears, holes. Also in nice shape. Again, car has about 10,000 miles on it since the restoration. Paint's approximately 10 years old, so it still shows well. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the exact miles since restoration, 10,776. All right, see how easily it starts. Fuel gauge working. Right down here, tachometer also working. And oil pressure, fuel, both are moving up. There they went up. Amp meter. You can see that is also working. When I turn on the fan, you can see the amp meter gauge move just a tad. And check this out, even the clock is working on the rally pack. So there's all the gauges looking good. Again, stereo did work. So push button on the left to turn it on. There you go, so radio is working. Full center console with that C4 automatic shifter coming through it. All right, whoops, sorry about that. All right. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. What you'd expect a 289 unmodified Mustang engine to sound like. Sounds more stock, no Dolby cam, crazy exhaust, anything like that. And remember, power steering, power brakes in this one. Don't see that every day on the Mustangs. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we're going to check out the convertible top also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice and tidy under here. You can tell this car has definitely been restored. Underneath the hood, there's a 289 V8 power. You have a battery cut off here. Again, power steering, power brakes. It's like a newer brake cylinder, master cylinder, I should say, and booster. Look at that. All right, let me pause this one last time. Let's run that convertible top up so you can get a look at that, and we'll wind up this video. White vinyl top, again, power. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything in this. It does have a few wrinkles in it, obviously, from being folded up in its compartment. But if you needed to stay dry, maybe just want to get out of the sun, put the top up, it's going to serve its purpose. The rear window, also in fine shape. Again, just a few wrinkles from being folded up. White vinyl and in nice shape. Take a look at how tight it fits up in the front. Goes up and down just fine. Again, going to serve its purpose. Keep you dry or out of the sun. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Original Rangoon red colored car with luxury red interior, 289 underneath the hood. C4 automatic transmission and power steering and brakes, front disc. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate. You can call there.